Hello guys, I am from Gaugras, Maths sub. I shall explain question number 24. Exercise 6.5, Chapter 6, Maxima and Minima of NCERT 12 Mathematics. The question is, so that the right circular cone of lit curved surface area and given volume has an altitude equal to under root 2 times the radius of the base. Here it says right circular cone least curved surface area given volume and altitude equal to under root 2 radius of the base. Now come out to solution here. Here I shall write solution implied that. Here I shall write let small r be the radius of circular base of the cone. Let small r be the radius of circular base of the cone. Let small h be the height of the cone and let small l be the slant height of cone the volume capital V is given. The volume capital V is given and capital S be the curved surface area of the cone. Here volume V is given and you have to find minimum curved surface area of the cone. Now what to do in this case? Here I shall write implied that formula capital S is equal to, just I shall make a diagram related to this question. You can see here this is A, B, C. this is O, this length height L, this one H, this one R. In triangle COB implied that L का वर्ग इक्वल टू H का वर्ग प्लस R का वर्ग. Here you can see this is the slant height. CB is slant height. slant height का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू हाइट ऑफ द कोन का होल स्क्वायर प्लस रेडियस का होल स्क्वायर. दिस इज द फार्मूला you must remember. So you will get here implied that small l equal to under root h square plus r square. This is the formula you must remember. Now again I shall write implied that the curve surface area capital S equal to pi r l. This is the formula you must remember. The curved surface area capital S of the cone equal to pi r l, where L equal to under root h square plus r square. Again I shall write implied that the volume capital V equal to 1/3 pi r square h. This is the formula. So here capital V, the volume is given. So here I shall write h equal to 3V over pi r square. Implied that squaring of both sides you will get here h square equal to 3 3 are 9, 9V square whole over pi square r raised to the power 4. Value of h square you have got h square equal to 9V square whole over pi square dot r raised to the power 4. Again I shall write implied that capital S equal to pi r l. Implied that capital S equal to pi r dot under root h square plus r square. Implied that squaring both sides of the equations you will get here s square equal to pi square r square in bracket h square plus r square. This thing we have got s square equal to pi square dot r square dot h square plus r square. This thing we have got. Now what to do? Here I shall put the value of h square. So here I shall write implied that s square equal to, because here you can see capital S is the curved surface area of the cone. Capital S is to be minimized. Why minimized? Because here list is written. The capital S is going to be minimized with respect to R. Here two variables are available, R square, H square, R square. Two variables, here two variables, R and H. Two variables are available. The first of all, I shall take only one variable. So here I shall take only R variable. The H square will be converted in terms of radius R. That's why here R, here R, here R will be written. So that only one variable, we have to minimize the curved surface area capital S with respect to only one variable small r. So this H will be converted in the form of R. So here I shall write pi square R square, in bracket I shall write H square. H square I shall write 9 V square whole over pi square R raised to the power 4 plus R square. Just simplify this one. So here I shall write capital S square equal to, here pi square will be cancelled out. Here R square R raised to the power 4. R square is there in numerator, R raised to the power 4 is denominator. Both will be cancelled out. So here you will get first term 9V square whole over R square plus this whole value pi square R square will multiply to R square. You will get here pi square, here I shall write pi square, here I shall write R raised to the power 4. Pi square R raised to the power 4 we shall write. Here this thing will be available. Again I shall write implied that S square equal to 9V square in bracket R raised to the power minus 2. This R square will move back to numerator. You will get here R raised to the power minus 2 plus pi square R raised to the power 4. This thing we have got. Now again I shall write differentiating S square WRT x, imply that differentiating S square with respect to R, d over dr of S square equal to 9V square dot d over dr R raised to the power minus 2 plus pi square dot d over dr R raised to the power 4. This thing I shall write. implied that d over dr s square equal to 9v square. Here capital V is constant. So here I shall write minus 2 r raised to the power minus 3 plus pi square dot 4 r cube. This thing I shall get. Again I shall write for maxima r minima, put d over dr of s square equal to 0. So this whole value will become 0. So here I shall write implied that minus 18 v square r raised to the power minus 3 plus 4 pi square r raised to the power cube equal to 0. This thing I have got. Now what to do? Here I shall write implied that 4 pi square r cube equal to this value 4 pi square r cube equal to 18 v square over r cube. This r cube will thrown back in denominator. So this thing we have got. So what we'll do here? Here we will get implied that 18 v square equal to 4 pi square r raised to the power 6. Implied that, simplify this one. Here 9 to the 18. So here you will get 9v square equal to 2 pi square r raised to the power 6. 9 v square equal to 2 pi square r raised to the power 6. This term you have got. Now what to do next? Next I shall find out now d square over dr square of s square equal to second order derivative of s square. So what to do here? This value I shall write nine v square I have written, minus 2 I shall write, and here minus 3 will thrown back in center, r raised to the power minus 4 plus 4 pi r square 3 r square. 9v square minus 2 minus 3 r raised to the power minus 4 plus 4 pi square 3 r square. This thing we have got. Now simplify this one. What I shall do here? Here I shall write implied that d square dr square s का whole square equal to, here minus 2 will multiply to minus 3, you will get here 6, 6 9 are 54. So here write 54 v square over r raised to the power 4 we will get, and here plus 12, 4 is 12, 12 pi square r square. This thing we will get. Now again I shall write implied that d square dr square s square equal to 54. 54 will be broken in two parts. 6 I shall write, here write 9 v square whole over r raised to the power 4. 9 6 are 54 v square over r raised to the power 4 plus 12 pi square r square equal to 6 I shall write a 9 v square. In place of 9 v square I shall write this value, 9 v square equal to 2 pi square r raised to the power 6. So here I shall write 2 pi square r raised to the power 6 over r raised to the power 4 plus 12 pi square r square. This thing we have got. So what to do here is equal to, here you can see r raised to the power 6, here r raised to the power 6, here r raised to the power 4. Both will be cancelled out. Here 6 to the 12. So here you will get 12, 6 to the 12 pi square to the 12 pi square और r square plus 12 pi square r square equal to 24 pi square r square. This thing we have got. So here again I shall write implied that d square dr square s square equal to 24 pi square r square greater than 0. 24 pi square r square is greater than 0. Therefore, s square and s will be greater, minimum, at 9v square equal to 2 pi square r raised to the power 6. This thing we have got. 9v square equal to 2 pi square r raised to the power 6. So this value you have got, this value you have got here. I shall write at 9v square equal to 2 pi square r raised to the power 6. So you shall find out, write like this, at 9v square equal to 2 pi square r raised to the power 6. This value you can see at 9v square I shall write. Nine v square equal to 2 pi square. At 9v square equal to 2 pi square r raised to the power 6 d square over dr square s square equal to, this value we have got 12 pi square r square. 12 pi square r square is greater than 0. Therefore s square and s will be minimum, not minimum, maximum, not minimum, minimum. S will be minimum at 9v square equal to 2 pi square r raised to the power 6. This thing I got. Minimum is what is given. Minimum or least, both are the same. Least means minimum. Greater है, minimum. What to do next? Next, this value we have got 9v square equal to 2 pi r square, 2 pi square dot r raised to the power 6. 9v square equal to 2 pi square dot r raised to the power 6. This value I shall put here at this place, h square. So here you have got now h square equal to 9v square over pi square r raised to the power 4. This value from this place I shall take h square equal to 9v square over pi square r raised to the power 4. Same thing I have written. So in place of 9v square I shall write 2 pi square r raised to the power 6. So here I shall write implied that h square equal to 2 pi square r raised to the power 6 whole over pi square r raised to the power 4. So we will get here implied that h square equal to this pi square, both will be cancelled out. So here you will get 2 r raised to the power 6 over r raised to the power 4 comes out to be r square, implied that just take under root in both sides, you will get here h is equal to r under root 2. Under root h square comes out to be h. Under root 2, you will get here under root 2. Under root r square comes out to be r. So here you have got, here it says altitude. Hence, here I shall write hence the altitude h. Hence the altitude h is equal to under root 2 times under 2 times under root 2 times of r. Hence the altitude h is equal to under root 2 times of r. This has been shown like this. Hence the altitude h is equal to under root 2 times of r, radius of the base. Hence the altitude h is equal to under root 2 times of the radius of the base. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 24 that has been taken from exercise 6.5, chapter 6, maxima and minima of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.